Imagine this, you're 25 or even 45, and you've never invested a single dollar. By retirement, you might be tens of thousands behind. But what if I told you it's never too late to start, and the earlier you start, the more money you could have? Meet Emma. She works 40 hours a week, pays rent, student loans, and still struggles to save. And this is Alex, 45, a teacher who thought he missed his chance to invest. Both feel stuck, but they're about to discover the same simple system that can change everything. It is not just about luck or earning more. There's a hidden system behind building wealth, a roadmap anyone can follow, no matter their age. Step 1. Start small. Even $50 a month can grow over time thanks to compounding. The earlier you start, the bigger the effect. Step 2. Choose low-cost, reliable options like index funds or ETFs. They spread your risk and grow steadily without needing a finance degree. Step 3. Automate. Set it and forget it. Consistency beats timing the market every time. Step 4. Let time do the work. Emma's early start means her investments grow larger, but Alex can still build wealth even starting at 45 by being consistent. Look at this. Even if you earn less, investing consistently beats doing nothing. And for higher earners, the difference compounds faster. Everyone benefits from starting today, no exceptions. Here's the truth. The system isn't rigged against you. It rewards patience and consistency. Most people think they're too late. But the best time to start investing is always now. If you want more practical ways to grow your money, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. In the next video, we'll show exactly why the rich keep getting richer and how you can get ahead too, even if you start today.